Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2018 Mazda BT-50 cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4451. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 and is the current shape. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. It's fitted with 17-inch steel rims, 16-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Factory alloy tray with no sides but with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed gear stick, heated controls, factory Alpine sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.